In this video, I'm going to show you how to monitor devices and how to use the map view for devices. Go to Locations. Enter the desired location. You can see all devices connected to this location and the subsequent sublocations. If you don't want to view it from the specific location, you can just disable sublocations. Then you can navigate to whichever sublocation you would want to monitor, or you could use the map view, which is based upon the floor plan, and with a simple traffic light status, see the indications of your specific resources. In this case, we have an audio lab with an error. If I select the audio lab, it will show me that the 040 having a fault, and I can easily diagnose this.